Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets. Kids, first we are using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're mixing the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. First we're coloring the alphabet of A. Now we're coloring alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant, and the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, subscribe to our channel. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using and mixing red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're using the color of red. H for hand. The next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Now we're coloring the alphabet of P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. And the next one is T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. V for van. The next one is W. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we're coloring alphabets A to Z. Now we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star. Now we're mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is Pentagon. We are again using blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. The next one is square, the shape of square. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, now we are using yellow color. Now we're mixing yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are coloring the shape of square. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. We again using yellow color. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we are using the color of black. Now we're mixing black color. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, the last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. Now we are using again black color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.